Needle technique in Transkambin fusion by Dr. Shashank Singh, Spine Fellow under Dr. Amit Jhala. Transkambin lumbar interbody fusion is a newer technique for performing the lumbar interbody fusion by inserting a guide wire over a needle through the Cambin's triangle. Risk of ENR injury is very high, hence it is performed in local anesthesia for patient feedback and or under neuromonitoring guidance. Traditional traditional Cambin insertion technique is associated with the repeated AP and lateral shoots of CM, and therefore there are the increased radiation exposure. These are the three techniques which are mentioned in the literature. We describe a technique which is easily reproducible with the less radiation and safe not to injure the exiting nerve root and avoid the need of neuromonitoring. We evaluated our technique of needle insertion in 48 cases of Transkambin fusion from March 2023 to August 2024 without neuromonitoring. Needle insertion time and number of fluoroscope shoots were also noted in all cases. We also evaluated immediate post-operative phase till the patient was discharged for any new developed radicular symptoms, paresthesia, and deficit in the involving exiting nerve root. In the Transkambin, the junctions of SAP and the transverse process is the farthest away from the exiting nerve root. Therefore, we have taken this point as our entry point. So we start with squaring the vertebra under the fluoroscopy and mark the key anatomic landmark. Only a single Scotty dog view for docking the needle on the transverse process. Walk the needle to the superior articular process and enter the disc space by gazing over the tip of SAP. Advance the needle till the medial pedicular line under the fluoroscopy and final confirmation needle position with the dead anterior and lateral fluoroscopy view. 58 segments were operated in 48 patients. There were 34 male and 14 male and 34 female. There were 36 single level and 12 two levels. In immediate post-op operative, 6 patients, that is 12.5% developed either radiculitis or paresthesia. No patient developed post-operative deficit. Average number of CM shoots were 8 and average time of needle insertion is 3.8. Our technique and traditional transfemoral injection technique, there is in comparison, less radiation hazard, needle insertion time is less, and learning curve is also less. Limitations of our study is small sample size, post guide wire insertion, the risk of ENR injury as we are doing it without neuromonitoring. Our innovative needle insertion technique in Transkambin lumbar interbody fusion significantly reduced both the procedural complexity and the associated radiation risk compared to the conventional method.